Alright, I got all the fab work done on this Vise base and mocked it up together. Everything fits good. So last thing to do is to paint it. I'm going to keep it simple and just use some Rust-Oleum paint. Mask off the base, take the Vise off, get the bottom painted, and pull it apart. Get all the areas that I can, let it dry, then I'll put it back together, and then I'll give it another final coat. After that, it should be ready for service, and I'll start putting it to work. So let's get after it. So I've got a slight change of plans. There's a couple nicks on the base, so I covered it up with this blue. It's not the exact color blue, but it matches pretty close. So I think I'm just going to go ahead and paint the whole thing blue and then just paint the Vise black. And we'll see how that turns out.